Another option that we can use for the app is we can, instead of having an original picture, we can use one from the camera. So there we need to go on to our media, click on camera and drag it into there. Again, it will come up into the non-visible components there. Now for those people who are interested, there's an option there to use the front camera as opposed to the back one, which is just a simple tick box. So now we need to go back onto the blocks editor. In fact, no we don't. Once we've got the camera, we need to assign a button there to go to it. On the user interface, click on a button, and I'm going to change the name of that to camera click. And on the text for the button, I'm simply just going to call it camera. I'm going to emphasize that, so it's going to be in size 28. There we go, so that's nice and large. Now again, it doesn't look particularly great just by itself there with everything else being centralized. So very quickly, just going to add things horizontal, a horizontal box, and add it into there. So I'm going to click on the horizontal arrangements and set the width to fill parent. So we have it, and as you can see, the boxes just went all the way along. Click back onto the camera, and I would like that to go into the center. And to get it into the center, what we'll need to do is add a label and just put it into the box there, and just create that so the width fills up. We'll say 95 pixels again. Click OK, and that is roughly move that into it, and therefore we'll have no image there. In fact, I have uploaded an image, so we'll just delete that and add a label as I stated before, and we'll just change that again. So many pixels, 95. Click OK and just remove all the text from the label, and that way we are left with the camera app straight in the middle. So going on to our box editor, we now need to program it to take a picture. So scroll down, find the camera click option. Now, following in the same logic as earlier, when the camera click button is clicked on, so we want to click on the camera, we want to call and take a picture. Okay, so what happens there is when we take a picture, when we click on a button, it will take a picture. Okay, so now that we've established what will happen once we click on a button, we now need to establish what will happen once the picture has been taken. So along the left hand side at the bottom, we have our components. So we have established camera 1. So when camera 1, in fact I went through that a bit too quick, so there we go. So there's the options for camera. So when camera 1, after picture, use the image. So what we want to do is click on camera 1, and we want to click on the canvas, and we would like, where is it? So let's try and find that again. So that we need to, there we go. So what we need to do is we need to set the main canvas. In fact, that is the wrong one. Just put that in the bin. So we need to set the main canvas background image there. Again, wrong one. Again, if you do make a mistake, you can just always throw it straight back into the bin there and start again. So we want to set the main canvas as the background image. Okay, so let's see if I can select the right one this time. So we need to set the background image, which is what David Cameron's face is at the moment. So set the main camera to the background image, and here we already have the image there. And what will happen is once we've taken the picture, it will use the picture as the next background image. Now, because we're on the emulator here, unfortunately it's not going to allow us to take a picture and use it.